Welcome to ReviewXpo. In this video, I will be showing you how to import product reviews from AliExpress to ReviewXpo. While reviews have a significant impact on your store, manually importing them can be time-consuming. So join us to find out how you can quickly import product reviews from AliExpress to ReviewXpo and start utilizing them to optimize your store. First, from the ReviewXpo dashboard menu bar, click on Import. Now scroll down and click on Import to ReviewXpo. You need to drag the Import to ReviewXpo button to your bookmarks bar and drop it there. Click the three dots in the upper right corner of your screen to access the Bookmarks menu in your Chrome browser. Then, select Show Bookmarks bar under the Bookmarks option. Or, you can press Command-Shift-B on Mac or Control-Shift-B on Windows. Now drag and drop the button. After that, open the product page of AliExpress from which you want to import your reviews. Now while you are on that tab, click on the Import to ReviewXpo button from your bookmarks bar. From the pop-up window, choose the product to which you want to import the reviews, customize the review numbers and preferred ratings. Then, click Import Reviews. You can check the import status on your import history. As the reviews are already imported, we can check them at the All Reviews option from the ReviewXpo dashboard. Now let's check our product review section. There! We have our imported reviews from AliExpress and they even came with attachments. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries at all or need any help, feel free to say hi over the live chat or submit a support ticket from our website. We'll be more than happy to help you.